Congratulations, Lucy Torres as a mayor and Congressman Richard Gomez. They are dancing a couple. They are a king and queen at their own. Sa mga TikTok, ang dami nilang mga TikTok. At the same time, makita mo naman, kahit sa Ormoc City, kung nasaan sila ay talaga namang perfect. Pero, pansin mo parang hinihingal itong si, Richard. Samantala si Lucy, parang cool na cool lang siya, di ba? Gomez reveals how he and Lucy Torres get together. Richard Gomez shared the story of how he and his wife Lucy Torres get together. We were doing that commercial as almost 5 years, and then on the last commercial, sabi ng producer, this will be the last of the series, sabi niya. Nasad ako. Sabi ko, type ko pala itong babaeng ito. Richard said he and Lucy were both seeing other people on that time when the commercial ended. Si Goma kasi nag-aaral siya sa Germany on that time, nag-training siya ng fencing. Sabi niya, while in Germany, tumatawag daw siya. Separated na siya sa dating niyang girlfriend, tapos tumatawag siya coins kasi wala pang cellphone noon. Tapos bigla na lang nakakat. So, pag inulugan mo, puno na pala yun, coins, sabi niya. But Richard Gomez was 32 on that time and Lucy Torres is just only 21, so they have 11 years gap. Kita mo naman. Tapos pagbalik turn to the country and Lucy finally become his girlfriend on September. And 3 months later, December, he proposed. And after that, nung April, kinasal na sila. Yun. So, kung bibilangin mo ngayon, 26 years anniversary na nila. Good luck. At yung anak nila, si Juliana, who is a fencer na rin. Good luck.